सर ई लर्निंग तो खुल नहीं रहा है सर अभी.
A ship security officer is the designated officer on board, with responsibility for the security of the ship, including implementation and maintenance of the ship's security plan. His or her duties include regular security inspections of the ship, implementing, maintaining and supervising the ship's security plan, proposing modifications to the ship security plan, enhancing security awareness and vigilance on board, ensuring that adequate training has been provided to ship's personnel, coordinating implementation of the ship security plan with the company security officer and the relevant designated representative on behalf of the waterfront facility, ensuring that security equipment on board the ship or associated with the security of the ship is properly operated, tested, calibrated and maintained, reviewing and completing a declaration of security checklist. The legislation does not actually specify which individual must be designated as ship security officer. It is left to each company to establish their own policy, by which appropriately trained officers are assigned to the position.
Sir, as these were self-explanatory points, sir, the ship security officer should appoint a ship security officer on board. That can be any officer, that is not specified. So the ship security officer has ship ship specific duties, such as he is responsible for proper training of the crew, and during drills he has to make sure that everyone is thorough with his or her duty and can perform. Also, he should also impart knowledge about security incidents and all the security threats which are possible, and also the corrective action in many circumstances. The ship security officer should also check the ship security plan, and if any changes are to be made, he shall. Sir, I'm reading out the points. Undertaking regular security inspections of the ship to ensure that appropriate security measures are maintained, maintaining and supervising the implementation of the ship security plan, including any amendments to the plan, coordinating the security aspects of the handling of cargo and ship stores with other shipboard personnel with the relevant port facility security officers. But also, ship security officers should establish communication with port facility or security officer by means of declaration of security, and in case of any security incidents, the actions should be discussed, and the method of taking those actions should be discussed. Then proposing modification to the ship security plan, he will do it with CSO. Reporting to the company security officer any deficiencies and non-conformities identified during internal audits, periodic reviews, security inspections, and verifications of compliance and implementing and any corrective actions. Enhancing security awareness and vigilance on board. Ensuring that adequate training has been provided to shipboard personnel as appropriate. Reporting all security incidents. Also, to maintain a record of all the security incidents, the continuous and officer record to be maintained by the ship security officer. Coordinating and implementation of the ship security plan with the company security officer and relevant port facility security officer. Ensuring that security equipment is properly operated, tested, calibrated, and maintained. So, sir, this almost sums his record.
What is that?
So it is a record which is maintained on board, which in which all the like drills related to security and the drill hours, these are recorded,